Claire gets a pet. It's as cute as can be, a green, loud parrot from a big, tall tree. His name is Broccoli. He likes to squawk. He sings, he dances, he loves to talk. Cookie, cookie, Broccoli cries. Claire looks in the jar for just the right size. But Broccoli grabs a sock instead. He bites it hard, then bobs his head. Time for lunch, says Claire today. She brings an apple and juice on a tray. But Broccoli has candy and won't eat that. He throws the apple. Splat! Broccoli flies and zooms away. He hides inside a shoe to play. Where are you? Claire starts to pout. Out pops his head. Peekaboo! He shouts. Claire fills the sink. She says, "Come in." Broccoli jumps with a happy grin. He splashes water left and right. Claire laughs and smiles. What a sight! Claire hugs Broccoli nice and tight. "You're so silly, but you're just right." "I love you," she says with a clap. "I love you too," says Broccoli with a flap.